Linear equations in two variables. An equation that can be written in the standard form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, but a and b cannot both be 0. A pair of linear equations in two variables is said to form a system of linear equations. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and that's equation 1. Another equation, x plus 7y plus 1 is equal to 0, and that's equation 2. Form a system of two linear equations in variables x and y. Two algebraic methods for solving a pair of equations: substitution method and elimination method. For substitution method, let the equations be a sub 1x plus b sub 1y plus c sub 1 is equal to 0, and that's equation 1. A sub 2x plus b sub 2y plus c sub 2 is equal to 0, and that's equation 2. And after that, choose either of the two equations, say equation 1. Find the value of one variable. It's either y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Now, substitute the value of y obtained in the previous step in equation 2 to get an equation in x. Solve the equations obtained in the previous step to get the value of x. Then, substitute the value of x and get the value of y. And for example, x plus 2y is equal to negative 1. That's equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equals to 12, and equation 2. By equation 1, which is x plus 2y is equals to negative 1, find the value of one variable, which is x in terms of y. So x is equals to, transpose positive 2y to the right side, and that's negative 2y minus 1. And equation 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 3 to equation 2, we get, this is equation 2. So 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. And 2 times x, which is equation 3, negative 2y minus 1. So 2 times negative 2y minus 1, open close parenthesis, minus 3y is equal to 12. And by simplification, 2 times negative 2y and 2 times negative 1, or negative 4y minus 2 and negative 3y is equal to 12. Add like terms, so negative 4y minus 3y, that's negative 4 minus 3 or negative 7y, and negative 2 transpose to the right side, so 12 plus 2 or 14. And divide everything by negative 7, or y is equals to 14 over negative 7 or negative 2. So y is equals to negative 2. Then, putting the value of y in equation 3, we get, and the equation 3 is x is equals to negative 2y minus 1. And we got the value for y, which is negative 2. So x is equals to negative 2 times negative 2 minus 1, or negative times negative is positive, 2 times 2 is 4, or 4 minus 1, and x is equal to 3. Hence, the solution of the equation is 3, negative 2, or this is x, y. And that's for substitution method. And for elimination method, in this method, we eliminate one of the two variables to obtain an equation in one variable, which can be easily solved. Putting the value of this variable in any of the given equations, the value of the other variable can be obtained. Example, 3x plus 2y is equals to 11, equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4, and that's equation 2. Multiply 3 in equation 1 and 2 in equation 2. And by subtracting equation 4 from 3, we get, so we multiply 3 in equation 1, so 3 times 3x or 9x, 3 times 2y plus 6y, 3 times 11, and that's 33. And that's equation 3. and we multiply 2 in equation 2, or 2 times 2x or 4x, 2 times 3y, positive 6y, and 2 times 4 is positive 8. Equation 4. By subtracting equation 4 to 3, that's negative sign, so 9x minus 4x, and that's 5x. 6y minus 6y equals to 0, and 33 minus 8 is equal to 25. By dividing everything by 5, so 5x over 5 is equals to x, and 25 over 5 is equal to 5. So therefore, x is equal to 5. And putting the value of x in equation 2, we get, so this is equation 2. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. And the value of x is 5, so 2 times 5 plus 3y is equals to 4. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3y equals to 4. And 3y is equals to 4. Transpose positive 10 to the right side, and it is negative 10. So 3y is equal to 4 minus 10 is negative 6. And divide everything by 3, and 3 over 3 is 1 times y, or y, and it is equal to negative 6 over 3, or negative 2. Hence, the solution of the equation is 5 comma negative 2, or this is x and comma y. Example: solve each system by elimination method. Number 1, 2x minus y is equals to negative 1, and 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. Or number 1, 2x minus y is equal to negative 1. And equation 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. And this is equation 1 and equation 2. Using elimination method, so we copy first 2x minus y is equal to negative 1, and equation 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. By elimination, cancel out the variable y. And to cancel out the variable y, you multiply the first equation by 2, and multiply equation number 2 by 1. So 2 times 2x, and that's 4x. 2 times negative y is negative 2y, is equal to 2 times negative 1, or negative 2. 1 times 3x, or 3x. 1 times positive 2y, positive 2y. And it is equal to 9 times 1, or 9. And by adding, plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 7x, negative 2y plus 2y, or plus 0 is equal to negative 2 plus 9, and it is equal to 7. So 7x is equal to 7. By dividing by the coefficient of x, which is 7, 7 over 7 cancel out, and x is equal to 7 over 7 is 1. So you have now the value for x, which is equal to 1. And to find the value for y, you can use equation 1 or equation 2 and solve using equation 1. At 1, 2 x minus y is equal to negative 1, and x is equal to 1, so 2 times 1 minus y is equal to negative 1, and this is 2 minus y is equal to negative 1, and negative y is equal to negative 1, transpose positive 2 to the right side, or negative 2, and negative y is equals to negative 1 minus 2, or negative 3. Y is equal to negative over negative, that's positive, so y is equal to 3. The value for y is equal to 3. So therefore 1 comma 3, which is x and y. So the value for x is 1 and the value for y is 3. And for checking, so we will use equation 2. At 2, we substitute the value for x and y. So 3 times value of x is 1 plus 2 times the value of y, which is 3, and it is equal to 9. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 3 is 6, and it is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is 9, and it is equal to 9. So therefore, we have the correct value for x, which is 1, and the value for y is 3. And that's example number 1, using elimination method. Example number 2, 5x plus y is equals to 9, and 10x minus 7y is equals to negative 18, using elimination method. So number 2, 5x plus y is equal to 9, and 10x minus 7y is equal to negative 18. And this is equation 1 and equation 2. So let's copy first. 5x plus y is equals to 9, and 10x minus 7y is equals to negative 18. You can eliminate the variable x or variable y. For this case, we will multiply the equation 1 by 7y minus 7y, and we cancel out the variable y. So we multiply by 7 and this one by 1. So 7 times 5x or 35x, 7 times positive y plus 7y is equal to 9 times 7 or 63. Next, 1 times 10x or 10x. 1 times negative 7y is negative 7y is equal to negative 18 times 1 or negative 18. And by adding 35x plus 10x or 45x, 7y plus minus 7y, and that's plus 0 is equal to 63 plus minus 18 or 45. And 45x is equal to 45, and divide everything by 45. X cancel out 45, and it is equal to x is equal to 1. At equation 1, change the value of x to 1. So 5x plus y is equals to 9. 5 times 1 plus y is equal to 9. And y is equal to 9. 5 times 1 is 5. And transpose to other side, which is negative 5. So negative 5. And y is equal to 4. By checking, use equation 2. At 2, so copy 10x minus 7y is equal to negative 18. And change x to positive 1 and y to positive 4. So 10 times 1 minus 7 times 4 is equal to negative 18. The value for left side should be equal to the value in right side. 10 times 1 or 10. 7 times 4 is 28 is equal to negative 18. 10 minus 28 is negative 18, and it is equal to negative 18. So therefore, the value for x and y are 1, 4. So 1, 4 is the value for x and y. And these are the values in problem number 2 using elimination method. Example number 3, solve each system by substitution method. So we will be using substitution method to find the value for x and y. So problem number 3, 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and x plus 7y is equal to 1, and this is equation 1 and equation 2. Using substitution method, we will use equation 2 because we can find the value of x without a fraction. At 2, x plus 7y is equal to 1. Find the value of x in terms of y. So x is equal to, transpose 7y to the other side, which is negative 7y plus 1, equation 3. From 3, to equation 1. To equation 1. So you substitute the value of x to equation 1. So copy first equation 1, 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And to equation 3, negative 7y plus 1 minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And simplify. So 2 times negative 7y or negative 14y, 2 times positive 1 or positive 2 minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Variables to the left side and constant to the right side. So negative 14y minus 3y is equal to, transpose constants from left to right. So 2, positive 2 or negative 2, positive 4 or negative 4. And negative 14 minus 3 is negative 17. Negative 17y is equal to negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. And divide everything by negative 17 and negative 17. And cancel out negative 17 and negative 17. So y is equal to, negative over negative is positive, so 6 over 17. And that's for y. Using equation 3, at 3, x is equal to negative 7y plus 1. X is equal to negative 7 and y is 6 over 17 plus 1. X is equal to, negative 7 times 6 is negative 42 all over 17 plus 1, and get the LCD, which is 17. Negative 42 plus 17 times 1 or 17. And x is equal to, negative 42 minus 17 is negative 25. So negative 25 over 17. And this is the value for x by checking at 1. So 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 2 times x, which is negative 25 over 17, so negative 25 over 17 minus 3 times y, 6 over 17 plus 4 is equal to 0. 2 times negative 25 is negative 50 over 17 minus 3 times 6 is 18 over 17 plus 4 is equal to 0. Negative 50 minus 18 is negative 68, and divide by 17 plus 4 is equal to 0. Negative 68 over 17 is negative 4 plus 4, and it is equal to 0. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0, and it is equal to 0. So therefore, the value for x is negative 25 over 17 and y is 6 over 17. And these are the values for x and y in problem number 3. Next, example number 4. 3x minus y is equals to 1 and 4x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 using substitution method. So number 4, 3x minus y is equal to 1 and 4x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, and this is equation 1, equation 2. Using substitution method, you can use equation 1 to find the value for y, or you can use equation 2 to find the value of y also. Let's try equation 2. At 2, 4x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y, and transpose 4x minus 6 to the right side and change the sign. So 4x is negative 4x, minus 6 to positive 6. And this is equation 3. From 3 to equation 1. Copy first. 3x minus y is equal to 1. And 3x minus y, which is negative 4x plus 6. Negative 4x plus 6 equal to 1. And simplify. So 3x minus times minus 4x or positive 4x minus times positive 6 or negative 6 is equal to 1. And variables to the left and constant to the right. So 3x plus 4x is equal to 1, negative 6 to positive 6. And this is 3x plus 4x or 7x is equal to 1 plus 6 or 7. And divide everything by 7 to get the coefficient of 1. 7 over 7 is cancel out. X is equal to 7 over 7 is 1. And this is equation, or x is equal to 1. To find the value of y, you can use equation 3. At 3, y is equal to negative 4 x plus 6. Negative 4 times x, which is equal to 1, plus 6. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 plus 6, or y is equals to positive 2. And we have y is equals to 2 and x is equal to 1. By checking, you can use equation 1. At 1, 3x minus y is equal to 1. 3 and x is 1 minus y, which is 2, is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1, and it is equal to 1. So therefore, we have values for x, which is 1, and value for y is 2. So x comma y. And these are the values for the variable x and y using a substitution method. Example number 5. Solve each system by substitution and elimination method. Number 5. Negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 19. And negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 19. Okay, so we will be using substitution, and to check if we have the correct values for x and y, we will use also elimination method. So first, we will use substitution method. By substitution, and this is equation 1 and equation 2. At 1, negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 19. We will find the value for y in terms of x. So remain value of y is equal to negative 7x to positive 7x, negative 19. And this is equation 3. From 3 to equation 2. Negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 19. Negative 2x plus 3, and equation 3, which is y, or positive 7x minus 19. So 7x minus 19 is equal to negative 19. And simplify. So 2x plus 3 times 7x, or 21x. 3 times negative 19 is negative 57, and it is equal to negative 19. And variables to the left side and constant to the right side. So negative 2x plus 21x is equal to negative 19, negative 57 to positive 57. Negative 2x plus 21x, 21 minus 2 is 19x, and it is equal to negative 19 plus 57, or 38. And divide everything by 19 and cancel out 19. X is equal to 38 over 19 is equal to 2. So therefore x is equal to 2. At equation 3, so copy y is equals to 7x minus 19. 7 times x, which is positive 2, minus 19, and y, 7 times 2 is 14, minus 19 is negative 5. So therefore y is equal to negative 5. This is 2, negative 5. And using substitution method, let's check for elimination method. It should be the value for x is 2 and the value for y is negative 5. By elimination, so copy negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 19, and negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 19. So we will multiply equation 1 by 3, and we will multiply equation 2 by 1, and we will subtract. Negative 7x times 3 is negative 21x, plus y times 3 is plus 3y is equal to negative 19 times 3 is negative 57, and copy the equation 2. So negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 19. And we subtract. Negative 21x minus 2x, or positive 2x. So negative 21 plus 2x is negative 19x. 3y minus positive 3y is 0. And it is equal to negative 57 minus 19 is positive 19, or negative 57 plus 19 is negative 38. So negative 19x is equal to negative 38. And divide everything by negative 19 and cancel out negative 19. And this is x is equal to negative 38 over negative 19. Negative over negative is positive. 38 over 19 is 2. So x is equal to 2. We will use equation 1 to find the value for y. Negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 19. Negative 7 times 2, which is x equals to 2, plus y is equal to negative 19. And this is negative 14 plus y is equal to negative 19. And y is equals to negative 19, negative 14 change to positive 14. And y, negative 19 plus 14 is negative 5, and this is y is equals to negative 5, and therefore x is 2 and y is negative 5. 2 and negative 5, which is equal and the same value using substitution method, which is 2, negative 5. So x and y, x and y. And these are the solution. Example number 6. 1/3 of x plus 2y is equal to negative 5. And another equation, negative 2y is equal to 2/3 of x plus 6. So we will eliminate the denominator in every equation. Multiply the LCD for the equation 1, and this is equation 2. At 1, 1/3 of x plus 2y is equal to negative 5, and we multiply by denominator 3 or the LCD, and 3 times 1/3 of x is x, 3 times positive 2y is positive 6y, is equal to negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, and this is equation 3. At 2, negative 2y is equal to 2/3 of x plus 6, and to eliminate the denominator, we multiply it by the LCD, which is 3. Negative 2y times 3 is negative 6y, is equal to 2 times 3 over 3 times x, or 2x, plus 6 times 3 is 18. And the standard form, so 2x transpose negative 6y, that's positive 6y, and it is equal to from positive 18 to negative 18. And this is equation 4. By elimination, to copy first 3 and 4. X plus 6y is equals to negative 15, and equation 4, 2x plus 6y is equal to negative 18. So we will eliminate the variable y, and we have first equation and second equation for variable y. So 6y and 6y using subtraction. So we will subtract everything from equation 3 to equation 4. So x minus 2x is negative x, 6y minus 6y is positive 0, is equal to negative 15 minus minus 18, or negative 15 plus 18 is positive 3, and negative x is equal to positive 3, or x is equals to negative 3. And now we have the value for x. We can solve the value for y using equation 3. At 3, x plus 6y is equal to negative 15. X is negative 3 plus 6y is equal to negative 15. And 6y is equal to negative 15, negative 3 to the right side is positive 3. And 6y is equals to negative 15 plus 3 is negative 12. And divide everything by 6 to get a coefficient of 1, which is 6 over 6 is 1. And y is equal to negative 12 over 6 is negative 2. So therefore, y is equal to negative 2. And the value for x and y is negative 3 and negative 2. So negative 3 and negative 2. This is based on elimination method. By using substitution method, by substitution, So we copy first equation 3 and 4. X plus 6y is equals to negative 15, and 2x plus 6y is equals to negative 18. So this is equation 3 and equation 4. At 3, we can find the value for x in terms of y. So x plus 6y is equals to negative 15, and x is equal to, transpose 6y, so negative 6y minus 15. And this is equation 5. From 5 to equation 4. So 2x plus 6y is equals to negative 18. And 2 times x, which is negative 6y minus 15, negative 6y minus 15 plus 6y is equals to negative 18. And simplify. So 2 times negative 6y is negative 12y. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30 plus 6y is equals to negative 18. Negative 12y plus 6y is equal to negative 18, negative 32, positive 30. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6y is equal to negative 18 plus 30 is positive 12. And divide everything by negative 6 and cancel out negative 6. So y is equal to negative 12 over negative 6 is negative 2. So therefore y is negative 2. And to find the value for x, you can use equation 5. At 5, which is x is equal to negative 6y minus 15, and x is equal to negative 6, which is y is equal to negative 2 minus 15. Negative 6 minus 2 is positive 12 minus 15, and x is equal to 12 minus 15 is negative 3. So therefore, the value for x is negative 3. And therefore, x is negative 3 and y is negative 2, which is the same value for elimination method. And these are the solution for substitution and elimination method.